It was expiry week, and on account of that, you had the markets which were in a very good mood, largely aided by the way the rupee panned out today as well. So we gained after 3 straight days of losses above the 50-daily moving average, piercing the 6100 mark, with the Bank Nifty posting its biggest intraday gain in November. Remember, there were 31 out of 50 Nifty stocks which are above their 200 DMA. Volumes too were supporters, so 6115 on the Nifty, 20,605 on the Sensex. For the broader markets too, you had the party which continued there. So it was an all-round, you could see that the buying activity was all across the broader markets as well. In terms of the Bank Nifty, well, that was largely supportive of the move today. You also had all of your sectoral indices which were firmly in the green. Capital goods, real estate were the top-notch gainers, and you had the PSU lot which was up by a good 2.2%. BHEL notched up very smartly today to become the top Nifty gainer, up by a good 5.2%. ICICI Bank, BPCL as well as Kotak Mahindra Bank not too far behind. Select stocks in focus, of course, it was the entire banking lot which was pretty active, but an Axis Bank up very smartly in trade today as the FI investment has reached the trigger cap, as well as it's replaced JSPL on the BSE, S&P BSE Sensex from the 23rd of December. From the broader markets, Pfizer and Wyeth were up and about in the session after they did get a nod to merge in a swap ratio of 7:10 to form the 10th largest pharmaceutical company in India. And you clearly had investors which were cheering that move to pay out an interim dividend of 360 and 145 rupees apiece respectively on the 17th of December. Oil marketing companies were in focus as the global crude oil prices slipped, of course, all largely to that breakthrough nuclear deal between Iran and 6 world powers. So HPCL, BPCL, IOC, all of them rallied very smartly as the supply fears have eased on the hopes of the stringent sanctions on Iran oil exports that will eventually be lifted. Take a look at NHPC, the share buyback, that at a price of 19.25. That's at a minor premium to the current market price. GVK was in focus as it reached an agreement with Horizon on some terms of the Galilee Basin. Aban Offshore was clearly a star for the day. In fact, in FY13, it derived something like 40 to 45% of the drilling revenues from Iran. So the recent lifting of the US sanctions on Iran, that comes as a positive for the company. Take a look at it, 20% higher. Dabur India also was in focus as the board has approved increasing the FII limit to 30%. That's up by 1%. And you also had something like a Valecha Engineering in focus as it bagged the project in Himachal Pradesh in the hydropower tunneling segment worth 176 crores. Some of those MNC stocks were pretty active today, the likes of Blue Dart, Pfizer, KSB, Vesuvius, all of them hitting new highs in today's session. On the downside, though, NTPC was a bit muted. Infosys was rather weak on account of the way the rupee panned out. Hindalco was a bit quiet, and Lupin too in the red, but very marginal losses coming in, and just a few counters losing out as compared to all of those which were gaining traction today.